Math time! Happy Digital Learning Day again. If you're doing this before science, happy Digital Learning Day for the first time. I recorded science first. A little quick preview of what is here for you today for math. So you're on this Start Here page. There is no video here because I'm recording it, but for you there is a video. Excuse me. Here's what's next. After you have the idea down here for what you're going to do, you're going to click this next button in the top right, the arrow to the right. Next. There, as a reminder for you, there is a page that says get your permission slip for Dr. Dober signed. Remember, I got to have this by Monday, or I got to start giving out consequences. Sorry. So if you haven't returned that, go put it somewhere. Someone will see it and sign it today so that you have it for me on Monday. Then you hit next again. This is a reminder, if you're working on a peer leader application, the link to do that application is there. Those need to be in Monday as well. So if you're going to work on that, today would be a great day to finish that. So that link's there. And then your math practice is here. We're going to practice surface area. Remember, this is pretty difficult. Like, even though it's not a terribly tough idea, it is just a lot to do, and it's easy to make mistakes, and some practice is necessary ahead of assessing this. So what I've got for you here, I think it's 8 or 9 practice figures. I gave you a printout of this and the answers to them yesterday. So you're really only going to have to check your answers as you go. If you make a mistake, you'll know and can readdress it. Just in case you lost the paper, here are the questions again. There's A through O about what? I. And here's what you're going to do. There's not enough room to do the work on here to find the surface area of these figures. So when you get to one, I just picked one. This is H. What I need you to do to be able to find the surface area effectively is to decompose it into its net. You can do the net all together or separate. I like separate. So like, for instance, this one would have a front and a back. Interesting figure here. I picked a tough one. It has a trapezoid here and here. I don't know what that's called. Trapezoidal prism. I'm not sure. So the front and the back are a trapezoid that looks like that. And there's 2 of them, so I usually write 2 if that's the case. And then there's like a bottom rectangle. There is sort of a right side rectangle. There's a top rectangle up there. Top. And there's a left side rectangle there. I have a lot of space, sorry. And so you're going to need some paper and some space to do this. And now, once I've got it kind of all taken apart, I'm ready to find the area of each section, put them all together, and then I'll have my surface area. You have the answers to check after you do them. These are challenging, and I want you to have plenty of practice before it counts. So you'll need some paper. You'll need the paper with the questions on them. And that's it. I know this will be a bit to do. 9 of these, they take some time to take apart. So that is all I have left you to do today for math. Please make sure these are brought in with work shown and all carefully tomorrow, since I have given you the answers. Come with the questions you have, the ones you can't seem to get right or can't seem to figure out how the net might work, and we'll be all set. So I think that is it. Off you go.